difference between these? In part a paragraph was given. First sentence and last sentences, these two sentences were given the numbers as first and last, first and sixth. And there were four sentences in between the first and last. And those in between four sentences were splitted. They were not put in their logical correct order. And four combinations were given for the correct answer. And out of those four, we have to select one, which combination is correct. And in this kind of MCQs or in this kind of part B, a sentence is given. No doubt, a sentence is a big sentence and we have to read it carefully. As I have told you, your vocabulary, antonyms, synonyms, then idioms and phrases, along with your grammatical skills are checked. You have to be good. And along with that, your reading is important. And more than that, your practice of doing such kinds of MCQs is also important. While doing such MCQs or solving such MCQs, your concentration and patience is more important. Your reading is also important. You have to read uh, various articles or the books of various or the different writers, writer to writer, their style of writing is different. Not only this, but also you have to read on different topics like sports, politics, constitution, history, industry, recreation. So they should be the center point of your reading. Yesterday, we have done a exercise number 1. But before again, let me tell you one more time the speciality of this. In this type, the initial part of the sentence is given as a hint. The first and last parts are given as a hint. Sometimes the last part is missing. Then the rest of the sentence is divided into a number of phrases. So rest of the sentence except first and last part. So in between whatever the groups of words or the phrases are there, they are deleted and labeled or numbered as PQRS. And these PQRS are not in proper order. The student has to rearrange the jumbled parts of the sentence to form a meaningful sentence. The initial part of the sentence serves as hint. Initial means the beginning part. This beginning part of a sentence serves as a hint or clue for arranging the given phrases into a sentence, into a meaningful sentence. Dear friends, yesterday we have seen the correct order was R, P, S, Q. Then one more time, let's see this only. Today political freedom and the right, however, money and all that money assures people equality before law to elect the government can buy is not fairly distributed. Actually, we have done this yesterday, but we're just recapping it. We're just covering it one more time. The correct order of the splitted parts, this 1, 2, 3, 4, PQRS, they are not in correct order. We have to put them correct order so that this complete sentence will have a complete meaning. or the proper sense. Now, today, political freedom, political freedom assures, today political freedom assures people equality before law and the right to elect their government. However, money and all that money can buy is not fairly distributed. So the money is not fairly distributed. So this is RPSQ. Second one is correct. Now the exercise number second. This is about a dictionary. So the definition of dictionary, the words, everything is there. Now look at here. It's a very simple. A dictionary and is given. Now a dictionary is a book. Dictionary is a book containing alphabetically arranged words about which information is given. SRPQ. See, look at here. A dictionary is a book. Dictionary is a book containing alphabetically arranged words about which information is given. Then, number 3, by far the most logical step to relieve the housewife of a routine which can be programmed to carry out standard operations is to provide a robot when switched on by the housewife. Here, the robot is used to give the relief to the housewife from her routine work. This is the central idea of this sentence. Its answer was by far the most logical step. By far the most logical step is, what is the logical step? Is to provide a robot. Is to provide a robot to carry out standard operations, whatever the standard operations are there, to carry them out, we have to provide a robot, and this is by far the most logical step. And these standard operations were which can be programmed, which can be programmed to relieve the housewife of routine, the routine work, and to get the relief from the routine work for housewife, we have to provide the robot, and this is the logical step. One more time, look at here. By far the most logical step is to provide a robot to carry out standard operations which can be programmed to relieve the housewife of routine when switched on, when switched by the housewife. So those robots which are programmed can be or will be switched on by the housewife, and then housewife will get relief from their routine work. Next, the pigeons, kabutar, and the messages. In olden days, the pigeons were used to send the message and to receive the message. Here, look at here. pigeons were used pigeons were used as messengers in the olden days to carry messages which were tied to their feet. The messages were tied to their feet. And the next, one of the most widely spread of bad habits. This sentence is about bad habits. One of the most widely spread of bad habits is the use of tobacco. Is the use of tobacco, which is now smoked or chewed by men. The tobacco is smoked and chewed by men, often by women, and even by the children, almost all over the world. So the correct order is, the correct combination is this, SPRQ. And then the sixth one, smoke below. So smoking tobacco is different, and smoke below, that means great wave of smoke because of fire. Look at here, smoke billowed up between the plants. The great wave of smoke was coming out between the plants. This is a tricky statement actually. The smoke of fire is not there between the plants. You will get the correct idea of this when you read the rest of the sentences. So don't make haste. Passengers were to told passengers were told to be ready to quit the ship. The rising gale, that means becoming more and more strong wind. The rising gale fanned the smoldering fire. Fan, that means give air to the smoldering fire. That means pressed fire. Hello? Smoldering fire means pressed fire, dhumasnari arc. And when that smoldering fire gets the air, it becomes the fire. It opens the fire. So everyone now knew there was a fire on board. Board means ship, SHIP. And most people bore the shock bravely. Some people are cowardly, but the people who are brave, they tolerated this shock of fire on the board. So the correct order, look at here. Smoke billowed up between the plants. Smoke billowed up between the plants. The rising gale, the rising gale fanned the smoldering fire. When that smoldering fire was given the air by the rising gale, it was shocking, but most people bore the shock bravely. Everyone now knew there was a fire on the board. The fire was not there between the plants, but actually the fire was on the board, on ship. Passengers were told to be ready to quit the ship. Last statement is not given. This has become the last one. Passengers were finally told to be ready to quit the ship. Then this one. It's about the salmon. Salmon is a fish, and it gives the eggs. The process of giving the eggs by salmon is called the spawning. And they have their own spawning grounds. They return to their spawning ground. They return to their ground where they can lay their eggs. They can give their eggs. Now look at here. The salmon fish pushed themselves. Salmon fish ने अपने आप को कर दिया to their limits. इतनी ताकत से हो सके. They pushed themselves. They pushed themselves. They pushed themselves to return to their spawning grounds. To return to their eggs giving grounds. Eggs giving grounds. But once they laid their eggs, and when they finishes laying their eggs, when they are over by giving their eggs and fertilized the eggs, they died. The salmon fish pushed themselves to their limits to return to their spawning grounds. But once they laid their eggs and fertilized those eggs, they died. This is the statement. And last, so here, what is better? It is said in the sentence is that it is better to give a few people education, but that education should be quality education. So giving quality education to fewer people is better than giving unquality education to number of people. So here quality education is better. Now look at here. It will be better to a few than enroll to provide quality education them out as graduates. सिर्फ ग्रेजुएट्स लोगों की भर्ती करके मतलब नहीं है, भले थोड़े क्यों ना हो, लेकिन उनको क्वालिटी एजुकेशन देना बहुत जरूरी है. नाउ लुक एट द रेस्ट ऑफ द टू sentences, last two sentences. You will get good idea of it. Look at here. N master, that means a number of, big in number, and churns that means where there is no quality. After perfunctory teaching, after perfunctory teaching, only the primary teaching where quality is not there, there is no concern for the quality, only quantity. And what is this sentence says? The sentence says that it is better to give quality education to a few people than to give unquality education to number of students. Now look at here. This is yes, and this is the last sentence, last part, after perfunctory teaching. Perfunctory teaching, that means without interest or concern for quality. And churn means only doing the time pass. Churn, to produce a large quantity of something without having any quality. And en masse means number, a big number. Now look at here. It will be better to provide quality education. It will be better to provide quality education to a few. It will be better to provide quality education to a few than enroll. N number means big numbers. It is better than giving big number to enroll. Then yes, on next page. Then enroll N masse and churn, that is yes, N masse and churn them out as graduates after perfunctory teaching. So the correct order or the combination is QPSR. Now look at this one. Exercise number 9 now. Exercise number 9. Making ourselves, our language, part of growing into masters of is an important full manhood or woman. पुरुषत्व और स्त्रीत्व, complete manhood or womanhood. Now, this is about the language and manhood and women. Now, look at here. Making ourselves, let us see the relation or the correlation among the parts. First part is making ourselves, full manhood or womanhood. Making ourselves, our language, part of growing into masters of is an important. Making ourselves is an important. Making ourselves is an important. No, making ourselves master of. Making ourselves master of our language. Making ourselves masters of our language is an important part of growing into full manhood or womanhood. Language is an important part for us to grow into a full manhood or womanhood. So as our language is developed, we get development. One more time, look at here. Making ourselves masters of our language. Making ourselves masters of our language is an important part of growing into full manhood or womanhood. अपने आप को लैंग्वेज में मास्टर करना, तो इसे we can grow ourselves into a full manhood or womanhood. So the correct order again, making ourselves masters of our language, RP, making ourselves masters of our language is an important part of growing into full manhood or womanhood. So RPSQ. C is correct. C is correct. Then next 10. The very first battle they fought. The very first battle they fought, and they had to fall back, cross the border, was lost, letting the enemy and enter the country. So this sentence is about they lost in the battle, and when we lose the battle, what happens? The consequence is given. The first and the last parts of this sentence are proved to be clues for us. Again, the very first battle they fought and enter the battle. So the very first battle they fought, सबसे पहली ही लड़ाई वो हार गए. The very first battle they fought, जो पहली लड़ाई थी जो लड़े वो, the very first battle they fought and they had to fall back. No. Cross the border. No. Was lost. Letting the enemy. The very first battle they fought was lost. जो सबसे पहली लड़ाई वो लड़े उसमें हार गए. The very first battle they fought was lost. And what happened afterwards? And they had to fall back. They had to fall back. फिर उनके पीछाहट होने लगी. When the very first battle they fought was lost, and they had to fall back, and they had to fall back, they had to fall back, letting the enemy, दुश्मनों को, letting the enemy cross the border, अपनी border को cross, वो हारने के बाद वो तो border अपनी cross करके enter the country. So the very first battle they fought was lost, and they had to fall back, letting the country cross the border and enter into their country. So the correct order is RPSQC. Now, dear students, this session has just is almost finished. You have to be ready for the next session, please. ऋषिकेश सर, ऋषिकेश सर, हॅलो, आवाज येतोय?
येस सर.
आता हा सेशन संपत आहे. मुलांना लगेच सूचना द्या की